Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to encrypt your Vivo Y03. If you're using Vivo Y03t and now you want to encrypt your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for privacy. Open it, and here you'll easily get all your privacy settings. You can easily choose. Here's the privacy dashboard. Tap on it, and here's the your location access and microphone or camera. You can easily get more permissions and see how much time it will be. Any access is in past 24 hours. Now go back, hit the permission manager, select it, and you can easily manage your permissions from here. It might be any camera permission, microphone, location, or calendar. You can easily manage them from here. After them, go back and you'll get the smart privacy protection here. Just tap on it, and it's the screen for sharing privacy protection for meeting. When you are in a meeting or video calls, it will protect your screen share privacy. Now go back, and here's the much more setting, which is show password. If you want to see your password when you are unlocking your device, you just have to enable it. But if you want to hide your password, you must have to disable this. Here's the show media unlocks, and if you're playing any music in background or videos, and now you want to show this on your logs, you must have to enable it. But if you want to hide it, just disable the settings. In the show clipboard access prompt, when you copied anything, so it might be shown when you pop-up window. If you want to hide it, you just have to disable this. Here's the screenshot. When you take any screenshot, it will look any pop-up window here, so you just have to hide. You just have to disable the settings, and she's unlocked to power off. And when you try to power off, it will want your phone password. I recommend you just have to enable these two settings. Here's the notification unlock screen. If you want to see your notification unlock screen, you must have to select the first one, but if you want to hide notifications, you just have to select the third one option. After that, here's the much more setting you can easily do. Here's the app encryption. You can easily encrypt your apps with your password or fingerprint. If you want to hide apps, you just have to select app hiding, and you want easily hide your apps from your home screen. Now go back, and this is the privacy and secure password and security. You can easily manage your password. It might be any screen lock, fingerprint, or face. So that's how you can easily encrypt your Vivo Y03t. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.